So what we have here is the CMI turret with, in the back, the Bradley CIV sighting system that we will be using as part of a CRADA research and development effort with the Army RDEC Command to develop the next generation medium caliber weapon system. The main benefits of the new sensor are commonality between the rest of the U.S. combat vehicle fleet. It is a fielded sight. We've delivered thousands of the sights, and it's currently installed on a Bradley vehicle and meets all the performance needs necessary for the Army. It is a second generation thermal sight on there. It has a day camera, color day camera in there, and as part of the research agreement with RDEC, we'll be modifying it to put a laser rangefinder in there and an improved color day camera.
This turret was down selected by RDEC to be part of a research and development program for the next generation medium caliber weapon system in a competition that was done. And so we are in a CRADA with RDEC to provide a turret that has Raytheon sights on it, and it will be what the next generation for the U.S. Army, what their fire control system is to enable them to engage targets at range and do what they need to do. It's a modular turret, which means that it can take anywhere from a 30 to a 50 to a higher caliber weapon system. It integrates the M829A4 which is the new 30 millimeter that was developed by ATK and RDEC. That's linkless and leakless ammunition system, and it uses a situational based fire control system that RDEC has developed.
Today we've got the M8 armored gun system called the AGS. This is a vehicle designed to support the infantry for the infantry brigade combat teams. It's a full spectrum system, supports everything from forcible entry operations to stability operations. Well, what makes this system unique is that it is equipped with scalable armor solution. What that means is you can scale the armor up or down to support different deployment options. What that means is you can scale the armor down, deploy it by C-130 airdrop, C-130 roll-on, roll-off, and/or you can actually transport 3 of these from a C-17 with level 3 armor, which gives you a very high level of protection. The system is equipped with a M35 main gun that is served with a 21 ready round autoloader. That autoloader allows the system to fire at a rate of 12 rounds per minute.
Orbital ATK is an aerospace and defense company. We have a large install base in the U.S. and we also are in the international arena as well. We're in design of a new 30 millimeter ABM round. We're using a common fuse that you've seen on the XM25. That is going to increase reliability and decrease price. So therefore we'll be in a price point UPC that's closer to an HEI round. It's going to give you much more lethality over a high explosive round because it's programmable and you can pick the burst point. Moving on to our family of 40 millimeter ammunition. This has been in design and production, and we expect to have all 4 of these rounds ready for production in second quarter of 17. These rounds are able to be fired out of our standard Mark 44 stretched gun with a 40 millimeter configuration kit.
So we have 2 new rounds that we're showing here at AUSA. The first round is the M829A4 kinetic energy anti-tank weapon, and basically provides an anti-armor effect for 120 millimeter cannons. This round has the ability to penetrate all types of armor that are known today and even advanced armor types. And this is a round that we are currently in production and fielding for the U.S. Army. And so the second round that we're showing here at AUSA is the Advanced Multi-Purpose round, 120 millimeter round for Abrams tank once again, that provides the crew the ability to program the round to do numerous types of engagement. This is a round that we're competing with other industry in the U.S., and the government will make a decision here probably about the first of the year, and then there will be one organization that will complete the development of that round.
This is the Iron Fist Light Active Protection System. It takes out RPGs and ATGMs, okay, short range, 15 meters from the vehicle. We track, intercept, and defeat. And it's available for a variety of combat vehicles, both light to heavy. This is a smaller version, which is about a quarter of the weight of some of the larger systems out there. And then we have a larger version, which is Iron Fist, which does the same thing, but a little larger interceptor. This has a IR camera and a radar. Okay, one on each side, and a vehicle set consists of 2 of these units back to back on the vehicle so that we have a full 360-degree coverage. And if you're in a vehicle and you have either RPGs or anti-tank guided missiles coming at you, we very effectively intercept and defeat. And frankly, it's a life-saving for the vehicle.